Morning, afternoon, evening people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony. This is little Teddy. I've got something a bit different for you today. But first things first, I'm going to put Teddy back inside because when I dog walk earlier, he rolled in poo. So he's had to have a bath. I don't want to get cold out. So I thought I'd do a quick review of this product that I bought. Not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. Well, I actually won a £50 Amazon voucher at the Christmas draw at work. I was sat there thinking, what do I really need? I thought I want another grid down cooking solution. Now, I've already got one of these and a big box for the little bottles that go with them. But I've had this gas bottle lying around and with something I could hook to this as a cooking solution if there's a power cut or grid down. I'm not talking SHTF stuff here. Every winter now, on the right to winter, it's all over the news in it that you could expect power cuts, etc, etc, because of this lunacy. On the back of this, on top of that, weather events. I think 3 or 4 years ago on Christmas Eve there was a storm, took power lines down, and some people went 5 days with no power. On top of that, hostile foreign actors. Everything's online now, isn't it? If I was to attack anything as a hostile foreign actor, I'd attack the electricity grid. So I thought, right, extra cooking solution. On top of that, in the summer I can cook outside on it. If you do follow the channel, you know that I'm a beekeeper, so I rend the beeswax down occasionally too, and that can smell a bit, so at least I can do that outdoors now as well with this. So with my voucher I've been and bought myself that was £38. Gas pipe was £7.99. Then optionally I bought these connectors. They were £6.99, so it comes in just over 50 quid including those, but under £50 for that and the pipe. Obviously you need a gas bottle. A lot of people have got those in the garden anyway, because a lot of people have got gas barbecues, haven't they? Now I will put a link in the description to this product and the gas pipe. I'm going to set it up now and we're going to test it out. So it actually has got a grill as well. So like I say, these connectors are optional. I've got this just for ease of setting up. It makes it more portable rather than it being permanently connected to the bottle. I'll give you a close look at this in a sec. Now it does come with a grill as well, which I put in that zippy bag. So we've got twin hob, grill, electric start button, and these connectors here, I'll just set them up like this, these quick release connectors. Right, let's test it out. Now I have brought a lighter out with me, so just in case. So, gas turned on. There we go. Right, it's a little electric starter thing. Didn't like the gas. So there we go. Twin hob and a grill. Okay, I'm back inside now, it's starting to go dark out there. So there we have it, grid down cooking solution for under £50, or just an outdoor cooking solution, I thought that was pretty good value. Like I say, link in the description. If you did like that video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.